Poor thing. Come on, give her a bit of a help. Come on, girl, you can do it. There we go.
It's a nice surprise. Come home from sober and go for a ride in a Ferrari.
Ooh.
Okay.
Slow, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's right. Here, I've got to be careful too.
Yeah.
Go down the bottom in a patch.
Out on this bend. Not too bad. Good my way. Have you driven it much?
Yeah.
Nice.
I do the Italian job every weekend.
Good man.
Of course, it's just like the rain, isn't it?
Yeah. Is it rear wheel?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, it must be amazing. I guess the old cars are probably a little bit harder to really crank out, aren't they?
It's not. I mean, people like to say, "Oh, it's an everyday," but it's not an everyday.
No. My cousin had one of the old Porsches, and
Yeah.
I know that was a bit of a beast.
Yeah. But this is, you know, it's supposed to be a GT Grand Tourer, but
Yeah.
you get knocked, especially if you're in Italy, you'll get knocked around a bit.
Yeah.
You're lucky it's raining, so I have to behave myself.
Yeah, we've had a good time on some of these roads already.
Yeah, I'll take you.
So,
So your first time in a Dino?
yeah, first time in a Dino,
There
first
you
time
go.
in a Ferrari.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Amazing.
So a 308 GT4.
Very nice.
Dino was made in name of, obviously, Enzo Ferrari's son.
Yeah. Seems to be going again.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it sounds nice.
Yeah.
It's a V8, is it?
It is, yeah.
Damn bus.
I've got to be careful in the rain.
Yeah, it's
I
true.
mean, she's alright. I've got really good tyres on her.
Yeah. Yeah, and especially I suppose not having driven it for a while, you don't want to crash it. Yeah, clear. Oh, that's good.
Throttle's sticky.
Really.
Right, take her round. And this is like
The hardest part.
This is the bus.
Yeah. She wants to lift.
Really?
Yeah. Nice try. Brilliant drive coming all the way over with it.
And of course, you know, I used to work for a Ferrari dealership at one time. But
Oh wow.
never owned my own.
Yeah.
Never done a long trip.
Yeah. That's awesome. Unless you had the chance to drive quite a few of them, but
Yeah, only to round the block, you know.
right. Not really stretch the legs too hard.
Every mile value you put on some of them,
Yeah.
the price goes down. So
Yeah.
I used to deliver a few, that was nice.
Oh, that's nice.
That's the Italian job.
Nice.
And then you remember the Lamborghini going through the beginning?